So first we need to download the Teensyduino installer, the link's in the description, and run the downloaded exe, which will present this screen. And you need to ensure your Arduino IDE is compatible with the one shown, and press next. Install any drivers if prompted, and then ensure your Arduino IDE location matches. Select your libraries. Now the default is all of them, easy enough to install, and then just click install. The installer will do all the work for you. Takes 20 seconds or so, and this will install everything you need to use your Teensyduino boards in the Arduino IDE and Visual Micro. When that's done, just click done. Now we can load our Arduino sketch in Visual Micro. There's one I prepared earlier, and ensure the Arduino IDE option is selected. So now your Teensy boards should appear in the boards list. If not, have you made sure you're using the same Arduino IDE as you installed the boards into, which you can check the location of here in the Configure Arduino IDE Locations menu, and just check that this is the same location. So now we can use the debugger and add a breakpoint to our code. As normal, just click in the left margin. There are other options for breakpoints which we'll see later on. For now we'll just stop in the code here. Check the COM port selected is correct for your serial output, and ensure the debug option of serial is selected, as shown here. And now build and upload to your Teensy as normal. Now each time you change a breakpoint with the Serial Debugger, you will have to build and upload your code to the board again, as it's embedded in the code itself. And just to note, you'll also need to ensure you've got the serial option selected as the USB type. Now Teensyduino will pop up during upload, as you can see in the top left there, and then the Serial Debugger will automatically start for you when it's ready. And as we only have one breakpoint in the code, it stops on that line. As you can see, it's highlighted the line for us. We can also see further information in the output window telling us that it's paused at that line. And there's some extra controls available, as you can see by the build and upload buttons, the stop and step. We can also use our serial monitor without any interference from the debugger. So you've still got all your normal serial outputs and debugging code that you've already written. And at the moment, our expressions window simply shows some help about how to use the actions on the breakpoints to do different things. So we can step to the next breakpoint using our little step button on the toolbar. As we only have one, it just goes round. So now we can add a trace message to our breakpoint using the actions. And our message can contain variables in curly braces from our code. The continue on execution checkbox means the code won't stop if it's selected. So we don't need to step past it each time we hit it. So if we build and upload our changes, we should see our trace output appearing in the output window as normal. You can see the Teensyduino loader there. Our output window will contain our message information, as you can see. And the expressions window also shows our variables for us too, which is easier to read. With flexible options for display available, so there's further information being tracked in the background. More information available on our website about all of this. So, good luck.